what birds were. Yes, animals. And small and spined. No, not unlike a dog. Say dog, but with feathers. And not always small. Oh, a feather is a kind of leaf. They were good, the birds, yes. And some of them were kind of bad. They made eggs. You've seen an egg, remember? Oh. Flight is a kind of movement that acknowledges its limitations. A beak is like a sharp mouth. This same sky, say sky, but blue, and before falling. And you would look and there would be, yeah, small animal, that's close. With a body of bones so light it grew wings. Say wings instead of hands.